morning. This is Tio reporting from Yogyakarta. Today, we bring you an in-depth update on the devastating wildfires in Los Angeles, California. These wildfires have been described as one of the most catastrophic events in recent history, impacting thousands of residents and leaving the city in crisis. The wildfires began on 7 January 2025 and have since spread across multiple regions, including Hollywood Hills, Pacific Palisades, Malibu, and Altadena. The flames have already soared over 54 square miles, or approximately 13,985 hectares, consuming vast areas of forest and urban land. Tragically, 5 people have lost their lives in the disaster, and nearly 180,000 residents have been evacuated from their homes. Among these affected are families who have lost everything, including their homes and belongings. Officials report that around 105,000 structures have been destroyed, ranging from residential properties to local business. The estimated economic loss has reached a staggering 922 trillion rupiah. Authorities have linked the rapid spread of these fires to strong winds, known locally as the Santa Ana winds, combined with extremely low humidity. This condition creates a perfect storm for wildfires to spread uncontrollably. In some areas, flames have moved as fast as 80 kilometers per hour, leaving little time for residents to evacuate. Firefighting teams consisting of more than 2,000 personnel have been deployed to combat the blazes. Helicopters and aircraft are being used to drop water and fire hazard on the affected areas. However, the effort has been challenging to predictable wind patterns and the sheer scale of the fires. The local governments has also up emergency shelters to house evacuees, providing food, medical assistance, and emotional support. Volunteers and humanitarian organizations, including the Red Cross, are actively involved in relief efforts. Affected residents have expressed both gratitude for the aid and frustration at the lack of preparedness for such a large-scale disaster. Environmental experts were the increasing frequency and intensity of wildfires are linked to climate change. Rising temperatures and prolonged growth have made California more susceptible to these devastating events. Many are now urging governments worldwide to take immediate action to combat climate change and prevent future catastrophes. The wildfires have also sparked an outpouring of support from the global community. Celebrities and public figures have used their platform to raise awareness and funds for relief efforts. Social media campaigns with hashtags like #PrayForLA and Stop Climate Change are trending, highlighting the urgency of the situation. Environmental experts warn the disgusting frequency and intensity of wildfires are linked to climate change. Rising temperatures and prolonged droughts have made California more susceptible to these devastating events. Many are now urging governments worldwide to take immediate action to combat climate change and prevent future catastrophes. The wildfires have also sparked an outpouring of support from the global community. Celebrities and public figures have used their platform to raise awareness and funds for relief efforts. Social media campaigns with hashtags like #PrayForLA and Stop Climate Change are trending, highlighting the urgency of the situation. One local resident who managed to escape with his family shared his story. "I had just returned from the family house where my mother lived. The house had been burned down. And then approached my house and it was the same, only ash." As Los Angeles continues to battle this crisis, we must remember the resilience is people and the importance of coming together in this time of need. This tragic event serves as a stark reminder of the challenge posed by climate change and the need for collective action. We will continue to monitor the situation and provide updates as more information becomes available. This is Tio, reporting from Yogyakarta. Thank you for watching and stay informed.